after that lovely view of the sunrise, we get to look at my ugly mug. Oh, didn't sleep all that well. I think I've got a hole in my roll, but it's just giving me grief. Just gonna get to Pine Creek today. Amble on up the road, and I'm gonna amble into Darwin. Take it nice and slow, just cruise and cruise. So I have a bit of brekkie, and then we'll move out. How does that sound? Yeah. Or just have a nap. Look at this incredible stick insect. There's this dried grass everywhere. Where's he gone? Come on, buddy. Just coming into Pine Creek now. 65 k's that was. Pretty hilly today. There are a couple of bushfires around. And yeah, wind wasn't helping me much. It feels a longer day than it actually was. And a lot of the day I was cycling in the heat of the day. So yeah, pretty keen to get in here. Well, morning. Had an early night last night. Just went and got some food at the pub here. Got a chicken palmy. Just making myself a quick cup of coffee. And then we'll start packing up, getting on the road. I found a few things yesterday, which I'll show you in a sec. But it got me thinking about getting a lift for that 180 k's. I think I might try and do is pick up 180 plastic bottles from the side of the road on the way. Maybe when I get to Adelaide River, which will be about 115 k's from here, we'll maybe try and find a milk crate or something like that, and yeah, try and pick up some bottles, and then I'll recycle them in Darwin. I think it's a pretty good idea. Pretty happy with myself. Took a lot of thinking on the bike yesterday, but luckily that's all I get to do. So I found this magnetic light which goes onto a car. I don't know what's happened to it. It might still work. It's got no batteries in it, but random. And I found a little metal cup, and on the bottom, if you're watching this, Beggs 042 Queensland. I've got your cup, mate. Righto, just leaving Pine Creek now. There's these kids who are camping in the campsite I was at, and they're making pancakes for this little Sunday market thing. So I've just come down, had a few pancakes for breakfast. They're really good, really good. I might do about 80 k's today, a little roadside stop, or I'll get to Adelaide River, which is 115. But it's getting on a bit. It is probably almost 10 o'clock. Another slow, relaxed morning. I also fixed my sunnies. Nothing super glue can't fix. Done 55 k's just before I left that little market. This guy rocked up and he's selling these stuffed breads which he makes at home. So I picked up a few pesto and cheese. Pretty good, plastic free. Loving life. That's what happens when you cycle during the middle of the day. You get a bit sweaty. Oh. So that's 80 k's done. 79. I'm at this rest stop here where I could camp, but I think I'm going to push to Adelaide River, which I think is about another 35 k's, maybe about 35, 40. But it's 2:30 now, so I'm going to sit, chill for a bit, wait for the heat to die down, breeze on into town. Got some more of this pesto cheesy boy. It's bloody delicious. Howdy. Made it to Adelaide River, which was 112 k's in total. Probably just gonna have dinner here. There's a little pub here. Not sure what to do tomorrow, whether I'll head the 112 k's to Darwin or whether I'll split it up into two. Kind of makes sense just to get there. Yeah, but maybe let's just get there. Maybe let's get there. I've also run out of soap. Now that's the plastic-free soap from the Eorth website. I've run out. So it's been 5 weeks now. I don't shower every day, because quite often I can't. So it's lasted just over a month. And it was good. Pretty happy with it. I'm almost out of that toothpaste as well. I'll do a full review of everything once I get to Darwin as well. Yeah, real happy with all that stuff. I don't know if that's a good time to last, to be honest. I got no idea. Morning. It's the last day to Darwin today. Had a bit of a sleep in. Normally I wake up about 6 o'clock. I woke up almost at 8, so obviously needed a rest. Yeah, let's get packed up and let's get moving. Darwin, here we come. Here we come. So we're riding the gypsy bike today. And we're gonna try pick up some plastic bottles. Only come 500 meters. It's 10 cents going in the bucket. Ah, boom! Come about 50 k's now. Pretty tired today actually. Legs aren't all that happy with me. But we've picked up some goodies. We got some plastic bottles. And a number plate to remember my time in the Northern Territory. Let's keep going. It's about 2 o'clock. I've still got another 3 hours riding to go. So probably looking at a 6 o'clock. Get in at 6 o'clock, 5:36. Yeah. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready. Running an amber light. At a traffic light. First traffic light since fucking Atherton. 30 k's from Darwin. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Yow! Alrighty. About 2 k's from Darwin. Oh, I can't believe it. It's 37 days it's taken me to get here. So I'm pretty keen for a beer or 3. But just wanted to say thanks to everyone who's been watching these videos, especially to the people who are still here at the end of the video. I appreciate you. Thanks to Kathy from Eorth, website below, who helped me out with all the plastic-free stuff. I've learned a hell of a lot this trip. And, you know, we only go forward from here. So I have 2 weeks off here and then we'll head over to Broome. This is the next port of call. So yeah, thanks again. Thanks for all the positive comments. I would give a thumbs up, but I'm not so good at the old no hands. Catch you soon, guys. Thanks again.